All right, so today I got a call. This customer, their vent dome cap blew off their roof. It was this old plastic one. So I'm up here replacing this, which isn't really electrical, but I'll do it. I didn't bring my harness. I didn't realize how steep this roof was. A little sketchy. Getting down's gonna suck, but I think I can do it. But I used some AI to take the old vent cap and make sure I got an exact replacement, but this one's made out of painted steel. So you can see the old clip from the old plastic one. The wind just took it after years of the sun hitting it, and it just snapped and flew off. So they won't have that problem with this one. This thing will last as long as their roof, and probably then some. God, my feet are slipping. If I wind up dead, tell my wife I love her. There we go. And one more for good measure.